Hello. So the aim of this experiment is to use JavaScript div environments to perform specific function. So the first one is to uh, create a function that accepts string and finds the shortest and longest word within that string. So this is the code. Here I start with using script, and so this is my code. I use JavaScript tag, and then I start my function. I specify the document get ID to get the value. Then I use the array to split it whenever space comes. Then I assign long and small array values. For like I use for loop to check the array length, and if the array length is like to store the array length and check the array length between the two of them. And if I get the longest, like the greater the array will be stored in the longest, the assigned value to the longest array. And again I check it, and the small one will arrays to the least one array. So this is my code, and let's check how it runs. So here I'm going to enter the text, computer and science. So as you can see, the small it shows me that the longest one is computer and the smallest one is science. So this is the first function we have to do, and the second one is to create a BMI calculator, the basic metabolic, like BMI stands for metabolic calculator. Okay, so here again I give the inputs which I need, the height and weight, score and the score. So I ask the user to enter the height and weight, parse into, I will take the, using the parse and get document, I will take the height and score. And if I'll compare like with the logic, if score is less than 18, I write if you are the underweight, and if it is more than 25 you are normal, and if it is over than 30, it's I specify overweight, like I specify this, and in the script tag, that JavaScript tag, I give this. Then I again a form I'll put, like for taking the input I use a form tag, and I put the height and weight columns. So let's check how it runs. So this is my weight, and this is my, so let's check. It's showing that you are underweight. So the next function we have to do is to create a like order cake, like a birthday cake, which we should specify the tip and the quantity, so that it will specify the order amount, like a kg, half kg is 100 rupees, 1 kg is 200, like that we have to specify the kg, and it should show us the amount. So here I start by taking the weight, tip, cost, input side document get I'll use to get the value, and if weight is less than 1.5 specify quantity, if weight is 1 200, and if weight is to 400. So and then I'll put the cost. So cost I'll add like tax plus cost, total cost is like type is tax plus cost by 100 plus. So I use this tax plus cost as a tip. So I'll give the tip, and I'll check how much it will come. So these are the TR table, like two forms to fill me for the input button types, like the number of the, like the quantity and the tip amount. So we'll check how it runs. So here I give quantity is 1 kg, and the tip is 10 rupees. So it will add the tax and show me the value. So the order total will be 238. So this is this function, and the next function is to currency converter, to dollar to rupees and rupees to dollar. So I use the two variables. I need amount and that total. So I use select, if select doctor, the amount will be divided by 20. If I need rupees, the amount will be multiplied into 72. So I do doctor document write like tag to, like after the conversion to show my output. Then I use the table to put the form, like the columns for me to enter the currency. So first column and select column, and I use the convert button so to submit, like, so let's check how it runs. So currency is rupees, I want to convert it to dollar to rupee. So this is conversion of dollar to rupee. I'll check $5 how much it is. So $5 it shows me that it's 360 rupees it is. So this is the fourth function, and the fifth function is to generate a farm, like if farm pictures based on the width. I specify the width and like that, so, and based on height, so based on that the farm pictures will be shown off for 2 4. So I use the style tag, and I give the positioning like center and everything, the style tag I use. Then I do my divisions and take the like height and weight input, and a button I'll give for clicking submit. Then I use the script JavaScript tag, and I put my like console and hello and everything, like console hello call function, and height width of the way elements, and I take the images from the like to specify the element style background image, we use element style background image tag we used and specify the images that we need. And this is a state, like if you enter the state as 0, this will come or else this will come. So this is the function. Let's see how it runs. So I'll enter 1000 so this is will my output. So this is the output of all the like 5 functions with using JavaScript DOB elements. Thank you.